Okay, y'all, finally, I'm about to change the smoke detectors with the Energizer batteries. I wasn't gonna do it, but I recorded today and I kept on hearing the beep sound in my session, so here goes nothing. Oh, y'all know I get a little handy. We got one. We got 6 more to go. All right, y'all, so this one take double A batteries, and this one keeps saying battery low, so you know. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm down bad for that, y'all. Shut up. Oh, look at that. Oh, it always happens like that sometimes. Alright. Give me that battery that fell. I need the battery that fell. This is number 4. Number 4, y'all. Alright, this is the 5th. This is the 6th smoke detector. This is the 7th smoke detector. So hopefully that'll stop. If not, it's a bigger problem. And guess what? Let's go. Oh, it's a bigger problem because where do the batteries go? It goes in there. And I don't got that size. All right, so I believe this is a disposable smoke detector, so hopefully it won't affect everything else. But if so, we know we gotta go buy another one and replace this one. So y'all stay tuned. These are all the batteries that I changed, y'all, and for real, we ain't hitting no chirping, so I think this did get rid of the chirp. Besides the one that was replaceable, I took care of smoke detectors.